Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. So we're going to talk about the zero law. Now the zero law is the seventh law in this series, so please make sure you've reviewed the previous video and make sure you understand the concept very well. And before I proceed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell so that when I post new video, you'll be the first person to know. Now, the zero law is very easy. It's basically saying that the logarithm to any base of 1 is equal to 0, okay? So it's a very, very easy law. So it says that the logarithm to any base of 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 0, all right? So if, for instance, you have log A1, it does not matter what the value of A here is, the answer is what? 0. And similarly, if you have ln 1, ln of 1, no matter what it is going to give you what? 0. Okay? And this is the zero law. So regardless of the value of the base, what you're going to have there is what? 0. So for example, okay, if we have log 5 to base 1, sorry, log 1 to base 5, that will give you what? 0. Number 2, if you have log 1 to the base of 2000, it's going to still be what? 0. Okay? Number 3, if you have ln 1, it's also going to be what? 0. Okay? So let's pick an example here. Let's assume you're told to solve this log 4, 1/3. Okay, so let's go. So this is the division law, which is the second law we're going to apply here. So a reminder, please make sure you go back and look at it. The division law, I told you that log A x over y is going to give you log ax minus log y to base A. So when you're dividing, you subtract. So we're going to apply it here. So it's going to give us, so if you have log 4, 1/3 is going to give us log 1 to base 4 minus log 3 to base 4. Now log 1 to base 4, we already know that this is equal to what? 0. Log 1 to any base is what? 0. So it's going to be 0 minus log 3 to base 4. And the answer is going to be minus log 3 to base what? 4. And that'll be the answer for that. Okay? All right, so that the next video now we'll talk about is the change of base law. So basically, if you have a particular base and you want to change it to another base. So for instance, I have maybe log 4, log 3 to base 4, and I want to change this to a base of 7. How do I do it? Okay, how do I do it? How do you change it to a base of 7? How do you go about it? So I want to change this base to 7. All right, so I have this base here, 4, and I want to change it to 7. How will I go about it? So that's the next law we'll talk about, which is the change of base law. So it's important that you subscribe and click the notification bell so that when I upload the next video, you'll be the first person to know. So I'm going to see you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.